Welcome to all my viewers to my video. In this video, I would like to teach to the students about management accounting. Management accounting is a very important subject because management accounting subject guides the students how managerial principles, practices, tools, methods, systems are to be applied for taking managerial decision after analysis of financial statements prepared under financial accounting. Students see under financial accounting or in case of company sectors, different financial statements, your profitability, your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, fund flow statement, cash flow statement. So all these financial statements are prepared and these financial statements are to be analyzed by applying different management accounting tools, techniques, methods for taking different managerial decisions. So the financial statements are prepared by the under financial accounting, then it is to be analyzed from different angles and aspects in order to ascertain the strength and weakness of our business firm, regarding progress of a business firm. We have several techniques under management accounting. We are going to study regarding different tools and techniques: ratio analysis, budgetary control, break-even analysis, marginal costing. So many management accounting techniques and tools are there which help us to analyze, to interpret financial statements so that we can take different managerial decisions in order to strengthen the financial position of the business, in order to develop the progress of the business, in order to increase profitability condition, and also it guides us to find out different weaknesses so that we can take different steps in order to avoid all these weaknesses for the betterment of our organization, for the expansion and diversification of our business activities, in order to enhance sale, in order to increase productivity capacity, in order to generate more revenue, in order to increase profit. So management accounting is very important subject. The students should know the why management accounting should be taught to us, what is the relative importance of such subject, why it is being taught, what is its necessity. Then the students should know. So financial statements only depicts a particular thing. For example, profit and loss statement, or in case of a profit and loss balance sheet, then it is simple prepared profitability statement, or profit and loss account is prepared to show to depict the net profit or a profit after tax or whatever may be, and balance sheet also shows the financial position of the business, the different components and aspects of assets, liabilities, all these things, reserve, surplus, share capital, all these things. But all these financial statements are to be analyzed. All these financial statements are to be scanned, analyzed from different angles and aspects so that, or we can apply different management accounting tools in order to interpret, to analyze each and every aspect for the purpose of taking managerial decision. So management accounting. So let us see balance sheet. What is the amount of current asset? What is the amount of current liability? What amount of current assets should be kept in the business? What is the financial stamina? Whether we have weakness, whether we have excess of current assets, whether there is insufficient liquid asset, or all these financial statements are to be analyzed. Let us see profit and loss statement. It is to be analyzed. What is the amount of operating profit? What should be the amount of operating incomes? What is the reason for which operating incomes are decreasing? What is the amount of revenue? What are the different types of operating expenses? Why the profitability condition has been decreased? What is the amount of sale? What is the amount of fixed cost? Whether fixed cost is suitable for us, which has been spent, whether it is advisable or not. And the financial position, profitability conditions should be interpreted by applying different managerial techniques. So all these things are to be studied in management accounting. Particularly management accounting, it consists of two things. One is management and accounting. All the accounting aspects, accounting statements prepared, that should be analyzed for taking different managerial decisions. The managerial decisions to be taken by scanning, analyzing financial statements help us to progress our business, to find out our strength, to find out our weakness. It helps us to beat the rivals, to increase productivity capacity. So that is why the students are taught this management accounting subject, so that they can know different techniques, methods, tools, how to analyze, how to interpret financial statements for the purpose of taking managerial decision. So management accounting, management accounting, it is the accounting to take managerial decisions. So management accounting is a management oriented subject. We have to frame, we have to chalk out different plans and policies. We have to identify different unprofitable activities. We have to exploit the opportunity for getting more profit. So all these things have to be analyzed under management accounting. So here, management accounting, the role, the importance, the objective, the characteristics, the scope of management accounting. Gives us a detailed idea, a perfect idea, why management accounting is very much essential in our organization, in a company, for the purpose of taking valuable, important managerial decision for the betterment, development of our organization. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you have got a little bit idea about management accounting. Thank you.